AI just completely changed the content creation game. AI video creation has evolved so much since 2021.
Sometimes we can't even say which videos are real and which are AI generated.
I don't know, someone told me the video that you are watching right now has been generated using one single prompt. So, my question is, who am I?
Yes, he was right. All of these 3 videos was generated with a single prompt. This new Google VEO3 is changing the whole video industry. It has generated a lot of great quality videos and also audio that are synced with it, and the lip syncing that are insane. We have seen Sora from OpenAI and also Kling AI from Chinese company, but this one is, in my opinion, a lot better. This video is not a sponsor, so I'm gonna give you my honest review on how the new VEO3 is actually working, and I will walk you through how you can get the results that other people are getting. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Welcome everyone to our channel, AI Fun Fact for All. For those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Pedram. I have a PhD in computer science, and this channel we talk about AI and machine learning and how we can use it in order to improve our efficiency. So if you are familiar with VEO3 and you have seen insane amount of videos or the prompt theory that has been widespread recently in the social media, is all from Google VEO3. We're gonna do a sneak peek on how we can generate these new videos and what is it different from the other alternatives. So I will walk you through how you can generate it. You may already be familiar with this video of Will Smith eating spaghetti that was around 2022, and now 3 years later we have this insane video with just a very simple prompt of Will Smith is eating spaghetti in a kitchen. So we see that a lot of progress being so far. Let's take a look at this video together. If you look at the closer video, you see that how insane the details are and how the audios are synced. This is the prompt for that. I know, like, it's a lot to dive in, but the more detailed your prompt is, the better response you are going to get. We will discuss that in more detail. Let's take a look at this one. This one has a very simple prompt, as you can see, but we have distinctly mentioned that the audio track is gonna be the distinct sizzle. So that's how it's gonna understand to generate the audio that are compatible with the video that it has. Now, let's take a look how we can generate this video. For that, you're just gonna go to Google and type VEO3, and after that, you're gonna try it in Flow, and then when you select that, you're gonna sign in with your Google, you're gonna continue with the privacy, and then after that, you see that you have 0 credits, but that's fine, you can just subscribe. Right now, there is an option for using the $0 plan for the first month, so you get some of the capability of the Pro, but there is some still that are waiting, and then they can use this 1,000 credit to actually create a video. In 8060, a pirate ship is coming to Arden Island, and 2 young boys are looking at the ship from the cliff top from the strong coastal wind. So let's run it and see what result we get. So we see that this result is generated. It's actually pretty much good for AI video generation, but you see that first of all it doesn't have any audio, and also the quality is not as the previous videos that you see from VEO3, and the reason is because we are not actually using the VEO3, and also the prompt is not very good. Come into the text box and you're gonna select the text to video. That's the option that we're going to select, and then on the setting we're gonna choose how many videos we're going to generate. We're going to select one because we have limited credits. And after that, if you see, there's a quality, and in quality there are two options, fast and quality, and then the highest quality. So the first two are actually VEO2 that are selected by default. You're going to select the third one, use highest quality. It's going to take a little bit longer, but that's fine. And in here it says that each generation will use 100 credits, so we can generate pretty much around 10 videos with this. And then we're gonna also update the prompt a little bit. So I will tell you how you can generate a well prompt, but in here we will actually change the pirate ship, and then we're gonna let it run. But what problem happened was that it's because of some privacy and some ethical concern, it doesn't let you to generate it with basically boys. So I have changed it to 2 men, but then you can basically download it. So let's take a look at it here.
They are coming. We need to get back to the village.
Now let's take a look at how we can generate a higher quality video. For that, we can hop into ChatGPT or Gemini, doesn't matter, and you're gonna say act as a prompt engineer and develop the detailed prompts to generate the videos for the following basically requests. And then after that, you're gonna mention something. So in here, I'm not gonna read the whole thing, but you can pause the video and see. We are going to generate a cycling off some bike, and then they're jumping through the cliff. So it will actually generate the content for you, but then you need to ask it to convert it into basically one paragraph, and then after that you will pass it to the VEO3, and this is the result that we get. I think it actually did a decent job. Didn't generate the audio at the very end, so you can tweak with the prompt a little bit to make it work, but you got the whole idea in terms of generating the content for it. Now in terms of the other part, there is a basically frame to videos, which you can basically select some frames and then morph it into the video. The only thing is that is right now we wouldn't be able to use VEO3 for that, so the quality is going to be a little bit lower. And at the end there is also an option to basically look at the ingredients to video, so you can basically choose different components. The thing that actually Imagen in the meta actually did it, but this one for this one you actually need to have a ultra subscription, and for ultra subscription is going to be around 250, which is kind of going to be insane. So let me know in the comment what do you guys think. Does it worth it to use that 250 or not? I personally gonna wait for a bit to see that how things gonna work out, and use the other alternative like the Imagen from the meta. And there you have it, guys. We went over VEO3 and discussed how you can generate high quality videos, and basically what is going on with this new syncing of the audio, and how we can specifically mention the audio track, and how to sync the content with each other perfectly. They have used a lot of the videos because of this YouTube and other things, and then can generate which I think is the best video generation so far. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite AI video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. More importantly, subscribe to the channel so you get more videos. And if you want to see similar video, you can watch this one if you are a fan of Google products. It's about Gemini diffusions. And if you want, you can watch this video that I talk about the movie gen, which is the products of Meta. Thanks for watching, and see you until the next one.